got him. And he landed in the tree, everybody. Get him, Grabby. Grabby just grabbed him.
Oh!
That is why they call him Grabby.
Grab, that's right. Live action. Thank you, Nick.
Johan got it.
Got some questions for you, buddy. You're going in the bag.
He's just hanging there like an ornament on a Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, what a shot, Johan. Look at this, everybody. We getting those juveniles. Iguana people. Welcome to the video, y'all. Today the Iguana people are hanging out with the legendary, the man himself, the Iguana Ninja. The people begin by meeting him at Airgun One and then go to a very secret location where the Ninja and Grabby fight it out by blasting these silly iguanas out of those trees. It was so amazing that Johan actually caught one as it fell. Stay tuned for this 2-part video, y'all, and prepare for the Night of the Ninja.
Thank you for coming to this video today. Man, is it excruciatingly hot out here. My God, it is, you know, we had to put off our day today into this afternoon, and right now it's roughly about, I don't know, 12:30, 1 o'clock, and I'll tell you, man, it's running everywhere bit of 98 degrees, and then down here on this ground, from the ground up, it is running about maybe 105 to 107 degrees. We got an adventure coming up today, so we're gonna go meet Ninja, the man of 1,000 grabs, and we're gonna go meet him down south. He's been showing us some stuff, you know, some of these baby iguanas. He's been, you know, showing us, you know, how they're hatching and they're starting to come out. Stick with us today. Today ought to be adventurous, okay? Peace. Yeah, we are on a mission. Way down, deep inside some of these woods here, we're gonna find something. Can the Ninja show us a specific place? One never knows until we get there. As he says, what it is, what it ain't, what it could be. So we're back and we're heading into to see Pablo again. We're supposed to meet the Ninja here today. He's supposed to be in there. So we're gonna go out on some kind of little thing tonight. And probably try and look for some juveniles. Maybe, well, you never know in this business, guys. As you know, as an invasive species hunter, when you go out at night, in the wilderness at night, you never know what the hell you're gonna catch. Shit, you can go out there and catch crabs. Land crabs.
Oh my goodness.
So, we're gonna go out and catch just about anything we can. We're invasive species hunter. So let's see what Ninja has to say. I know he's supposed to meet us over here at Pablo's. So we're going in. Yeah, Dad. It's awesome, man. Nice and cool. Oh my goodness. Hopefully the Ninja's here. That's all. We're heading here. Oh look, he is in here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh look, and he's got a shirt on. Oh, talk about support. What's up, man? How you doing? What are you doing here? Are you ready for the night or what? Oh yeah. All right, we're ready. Over here at Pablo's house, and we have to check on a few things. Come on in here so I can lock it up so nobody steals anything.
Oh hell no.
Somebody the last time came in here and took a bunch of shit.
For real?
Yeah. So, what are we doing tonight, guys? Oh, we're going out on a night hunt. Yeah, it's like I said, Ninja. We met the Ninja here, and we're gonna go out tonight. We're gonna do a couple of things tonight. We gotta stop here and meet him, pick up some ammunition. And again, if you guys ain't familiar with this place, of course you know, I always have a card here. Excuse me. Always have a card here. And if you didn't know where we're at, of course we're always here. Always check this out. We make this our first stop before we go anywhere.
Benjamin 25 pounds.
So we're gonna get some stuff here. How much? Nice.
Very nice, Johan.
Yeah. Which ones you getting?
That's the Benjamin 22 or 25 caliber,
Right.
and then you got the Air Boss 30 caliber.
Okay.
Very cool.
So what are we gonna give you for these?
9750.
Huh?
9750.
97.50.
That's what I tell everybody.
That seems like a lot.
There better be some gold pellets.
There's gold in it, Johan. They made it silver, Johan.
They better be something.
I've been telling people that for about 30 years.
I know he gives us a good deal on them though. Let's see what's going on. Maybe.
Maybe.
Me. So, what do we have here there? Anyways, let's see what they're looking at over here.
That's a brake barrel.
Yeah, them brake barrels suck.
They break the scope.
They break the scope as soon as they hit. This little thing, huh?
Look at that, Johan. It's very
It's
orange.
very orange. It's got Harley Davidson colors.
Very cool.
Very. Let's see what the price of this is. Oh my goodness. Let's see.
How much is it,
Date?
Johan?
I'm not sure. I don't know. So guys, if you're down here, you're looking for, compressors, all of this stuff, you just, listen, look for my link below, and you'll see all of this stuff. I mean, he's got everything, guys. He's got an amazing collection here. So, I mean, look at this thing. Some of these here are like 357, like 9mm, unbelievable.
It looks like a halo gun, Johan.
Man, I don't know. I'll tell you, it looks like something like out of I don't know if you remember back in the day that what the hell was it? Planet of the Apes.
That was Starship Troopers, Johan.
Battlestar Troopers. Yeah, Battlestar Galactica. They used something kind of square like this. It looked pretty cool. Oh my gosh! Look, handguns.
Very nice.
Smith and Wesson. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, look at this big old thing.
It's very big.
Nice.
Very big.
Very big. Oh my goodness. Let's see what kind of damage we got here.
Very shallow and pedantic.
Not quite. If I was just thinking, you know what we could be doing right now?
What, Johan?
We could be out shooting some of these things immediately if we were out there.
But,
But we had to meet the ninja here to get the bullets.
oh yeah.
Let's see what's going on here. I don't know. Nate is writing up an awful lot. Usually Pablo says, "Yeah, here you go, Johan. There you go."
He looks like an accountant,
Oh, no,
Johan.
he looks like a very good accountant. He wants to make sure he gets everything in line
At this time.
at this time. You look like you're pretty involved over there. Are you writing up tonight's itinerary or what? I know that's what he's doing. Listen, it's a really big surprise. Anything can happen out there. Anything.
Anything.
Just about anything. He just needs a little water.
Oh, I know.
I like water.
Goodness, all these numbers, Jackson. Oh my goodness.
Another day at Airgun One, Johan.
It is. It is. So I'm thinking about getting something like this. And you know what? If you give me 50 likes, and I get this, If you give me 50 likes, I guess I'll throw you in a contest for a fishing pole. We'll see what goes on. We'll see what goes on there. Let's see if I can get the 50 likes. If I can get the 50 likes and maybe 100 good comments, I think we can do something. So we're gonna go out for an adventure today. You guys stick by, see what we got. As my famous man here says, what is it? It is what? What? Yeah, it is, or whatever it is. You know he says it all the time. So, Nate, you be good, man. Take you again. Hey, you want to come out with us? Come out with us. Come out with us. Come and hang out with us. And watch the gate there, Ollie. We don't want to get locked up. Man, I can't believe it. We're going out. We're going out the way. Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, we hit it. Yeah, we hit it. We hit it here every day. We're down here every day. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, it's wide open now. Right, nice. All right, Nate, we'll catch you. So we're on our way, man. And let's go. Man, the heat out here is unbelievable, guys. It just rained, and like, remember I was telling you about the temperature being hot on the ground? It is now rising up, and it is actually causing, to breathe heavily because of the humidity. It's over 100% of humidity right now. And that's all because of this storm that's come in with this sandstorm or something. And it's crazy, dude. It's absolutely crazy. I can't believe on how hot it is right now. I wish I had a thermometer to show you. But damn.
It's hard to breathe, Johan.
It is. It is actually hard to breathe. So we'll meet you at the location. Bam, what's up? And of course, it is dark. I told you that we had to meet the ninja here today. We met him at Pablo's. And I'll tell you, we're gonna go out today and we're looking for juveniles, maybe some alphas. We're not sure on what's going on. Anything can happen because, like I said, guys, the temperature's been rolling crazy down here. Right now, it's running about 89 degrees right now, and at like 9 o'clock at night. And during the day, the temperatures were running anywhere between 130 on the ground level to about maybe 99 on the surface level. But when it hit together, man, it was like 111 degrees today. Unbelievably hot. So we had to come out. But I'll tell you guys, we're gonna have a blast today because we rolled up on an area here today that is unbelievably packed. You're gonna be surprised. We got the Iguana Ninja with us here. What's up, Ninja?
What it is into the lovely people.
Yeah, you see that? He's even sporting one of our shirts today.
Very nice.
We are very honored. Let me tell you something, man. The ninja and the Iguana Man, they helped us out, coming through this whole scenario of life in this industry. But today is my pleasure to have the ninja come and show us another few secret trips up his sleeve. But more so, he is with the Grabby. And that was what we wanted. We wanted Grabby sitting on his throne in there. Check him out.
He's having a good little time.
He's got a little collection going on there with his gun and everything. So you stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please, by all means, put your comments down below, y'all, because we're fixing to have a blast. Yeah, so, oh, look, you got a light on that too, Ollie.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to look at this tree. All right, we're going to light this tree up. Somebody light that puppy up. Oh, my goodness, y'all.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at that.
Which one you guys going to go for
Look
first?
at that giant, man.
How about the one on the left right there?
I don't know, Ollie. Oh, my goodness.
Let me get right here, Johan.
Oh, no.
Grab it. Get that one that he has. That one on the left.
Oh, they're all over there. Look at the size of that puppy.
Right there you go. Right there.
Which way?
That big one.
I see 3, everybody. Ooh, he got him. Ooh, he got him. And he landed in the tree, everybody. Let's see what Johan can do.
It's upside down.
He's hanging like a bat.
He's hanging like a bat.
Oh, look at him, everybody.
Look if you can give him that grab of 1,000 real quick. Did you find him?
Look at this one, Grabby.
Wait 1 second.
Thank you, Ninja.
Johan got it.
Well, I wouldn't have got it if it wasn't for the Ninja. He told me to grab it like 1,000 grabs, and I did.
Very nice job, Johan.
Yeah, man.
Look at this
Look at
guy.
this
You got him?
Very nice color, Johan.
Yeah. You thought
Whoa.
you thought you had it, huh? You didn't have it, buddy. You didn't have it. You're going in the bag.
Where he at, Ninja?
He's right here.
Oh, I see him. He blends in very well, everybody.
There's one right there's the alpha right there.
Oh, there's an alpha right there.
But it's right over the wall.
Nah, if you, we gotta figure something out. We gotta clap him to where we're gonna.
Look at this guy, everybody.
Like hit him in the back so I can make him turn around.
All right, so I'm gonna give him a shot first, right? And then I want you to try to give him that kill blow. All right.
Oh, we got him. And he landed right in the water.
Well, these alligators eating good here, that's for sure.
That was an awesome shot, Johan.
It was. The good thing about this place is the client doesn't mind if they get just hit and shot. These gators in here are going to kill them all up.
Oh, yeah. Let's continue, Johan.